Today we'll talk about how can you find your reasons on your PowerPoint app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is you just go down here, you click here on open down here. So when you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on reasons. Then it's going to take you to this list here, and here you will find all recent presentations. Here you have, I have no recent presentations in my list here. So but if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list on your PowerPoint app. So that's all you have to do here to find your recent presentations. That's all. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.